Today we're going to continue talking about the story Too Many Tamales, and we're going to talk about the change that the character Maria makes during the story. So we're going to look at the same assignment that we did earlier in the week with Under the Lemon Moon and Rosalinda, and we're going to talk about character change. And so to do that, we're going to look at what happened at the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story, and how she changed. So the best way to do that is to put the title of the story, the author, and the character name. The character's name is Maria. And in the beginning, I want you to write down something that she did, thinking about the problem and the solution in the story, or the problem in the story. What's the big part of the story or the lesson? So in the beginning, what did she do? What did she say? And what did she feel? So for me, I was thinking about, one of the things that she did was she did help her mom make tamales, and she felt really grown up, but she also took her mom's ring and put it on. And that kind of started the whole problem in the story. And one of the things that she said was, it's so shiny and sparkly and things like that. And then in the middle of the story, thinking about after she realized that she lost the ring, what did she do? What did she say? And what did she feel? So thinking about around the point where she's asking the kids to eat all the tamales so she can find the ring so she doesn't get in trouble. And then at the end of the story, after her mom finds out that or Maria finds out that that the ring didn't get lost, that her mom had the ring, what did she do? What did she say? And what did she feel? And that's how Maria changes in the story. Once you're done, and you can do this right away actually, is you need to share the assignment with me. And again, make sure that you do that right away before you type done. And that's all you need to do.